school, like they think the Ten Commandments should be like plastered on courthouses, and that you should have all other kinds of things. So that should not exist. Regent Law School in Virginia Beach. I mean, come on. I mean, that was a school out in Oklahoma that Pat Robertson of the 700 Club bought and moved to Virginia. And it's all like part of the evangelicals. So it just doesn't have a strong academic backing. So neither of those schools should exist as law schools. There are a number of other ones. I'm not going to name the ones in my state, but there are some recent ones that have come up that are just not particularly good schools. And then the paralegal programs, those have been like multiplying like God knows. And I don't know why. It's so vague about what constitutes a paralegal. I mean, you could go to some shitty community college and get your paralegal certificate. Whether or not you even need a certificate, the certificate's bullshit anyways, too. Like this, and the certified paralegal, I mean, that is a load of shit. I mean, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't make anybody capable. I mean, do you really think that someone that's barely made it out of community college knows as much as a lawyer? And a lot of them do think that they know as much as lawyers. And I will tell you this, if you rely on a paralegal and you're a lawyer, you're committing malpractice, because they can royally fuck stuff up. And no lawyer should ever do that. You should rely on yourself. And this notion that somehow paralegals know as much as lawyers, oh, she's a good old girl, she just, she works hard, she just never had the same opportunities. Fucking bullshit. They don't, some of them, I guess, some of them are intelligent, yes, a number of them are intelligent, but you don't know as much as a lawyer. You don't know anywhere close to it. Your judgment isn't anywhere close to what it needs to be. You can't issue spot. You don't have any business trying to be a lawyer. If you could have been a lawyer, you would be a lawyer. So that's kind of the attitude I have about it. Now, paralegals are very helpful. They can help to facilitate things, and that's their job. And para means half. I think that's probably a generous or part. That's what it's supposed to mean. But they're not like half lawyers. They're just sort of a part legal help. I don't want to get into the etymology of the word and all of that. But they're just not the same thing, and lawyers should not rely on them at all, because doing so is malpractice.